look at the click stream, that how the click streams works basically. For example, let's suppose there is a customer on the left hand side, you have it, okay, and there is a website you want to visit, and for this website the web logs are being made over there. Okay, right. So do you have any question? Okay, right, no question. So the web logs are being made over there. Okay, now this is a customer over there. Okay, so the question is that how to increase the customer value. Okay, how can I increase the customer value? So through this website. So let's suppose you have a like utilities website like eBay or souk.com, and you want to make a logs over there, and the question are how to improve the website, okay, and how to better the data. So three different questions are coming: how to increase the customer value, improve the website, and how to improve the data over there. Okay, now see, you pre-process the data, you collecting of the different information, merging information, gleaning information, and then you have a you have like a let me have the pen over there. Okay, and then you identify the user, which user is more beneficial for me to increase the value of the customer, and identify the session, which session are important to grab the customers, and identify the page views, how many times the page has been viewed and by whom. Okay, and and identify the visit, who are visiting my web page, who are the people who are visiting, what are the age group, what are the gender, what are the things they want to buy over there on the website. Okay, and then you need to extract the knowledge. So you see what is the pattern usage over there, user profile, see the age group and all these things, and the customer area from where they are targeting your website, page profile, okay, see, and visit profile, how many times they visit us, and the customer value. So these are the knowledge extraction you do with the web usage analysis over there.